Hey everybody, what's going on now? We are back with Ratchet and Clank, episode number 9, here on a lava planet, almost killing ourselves. Let's not run off there. I had the wrong kind of weapon for that. Alright, now let's get back down. We are moving right along with this series. We got, a few more episodes. Oh god, we got mines coming. So if you couldn't tell by now, the enemies get a little more difficult. Oh. So, and you get sweet things like this, which I don't remember. Okay, circle. Circle shoots. Take them down, take them down, take them down. Yeah. Alright. That's a nice little detour. I can't remember if these guys like spawn indefinitely or what. I'm not sure, but yeah, the planets get a little bit more difficult. We've definitely passed the halfway point. We're on the not in the home stretch by any means. You know, we're like at that point where you've just crossed halfway, but you're not quite close to the end yet. That's pretty much where we're at. Alright, so I don't remember a damn thing about this planet, so this is going to be a fun one. Okay. Well, that's probably where you come back, so we don't need to be going that way. Ah, I remember what to do. You gotta blow the door open. That's why this is here. Shoot it. Yeah. See? I remember stuff. Remembering. Oh god, these are exploding dudes. Jesus Christ. Almost died. So the difficulty in this game doesn't really kind of scale up. It's just kind of, you get to a planet, then all of a sudden everything is really difficult. And this is kind of the planet where it begins. Oh god. I'm dead. Yeah, so, yeah, it's difficult. Alright, take these dudes out again. Jesus. Stop spawning. Alright. Let's try this again. Oh, really? Gotta blow this up again? Alright, let's just kill the guys from here. Because I can see them. Yeah, there you go. That did it. Woohoo! Oh, he's right. There's another one. God. I think I just need to use the wrench on those guys, to be honest. Alright, there's a dude there. Yeah, let's just use the damn wrench on him. Shit. Alright. Ow, you little asshole. Alright, blow that up. You're getting bolts for days right now, though. Oh, hell no. Oh god. Oh my god, how did I not die there? Just about out of ammo on the blaster. Throw a bomb on these guys. Woohoo! Shit. God, they're so fast. Damn. This is the most I've died all game on this one planet. Alright, just mow through them. What's up, buddy? God. That was just a massacre. Alright, same as before, just kill them from far away. Yeah, I think I just need to use the wrench on these guys, to be honest. There's one to the right. I remember this one. Yeah, I'm just going to use the wrench. That's so much more effective. Boom. Incoming. Let's just try. Let's show off the Devastator to you guys. Alright, where is it? So, yeah, Devastator. It's a big ass rocket launcher. It's awesome. Oh god, don't. Walking in the lava. I'm the best at it. Sons of bitches. Damn it. Damn it. Ugh. Shit. Shit. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Alright, I gotta get some ammo.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Alright.
That's a real beauty.
Woo. Alright, there we go. I have successfully done it. Made that a million times harder than it probably was, is, and should have been. And I just blew. Ugh. So remember I was saying earlier about how the difficulty just kind of ramps up, or just kind of goes. It doesn't really stay, you know, it doesn't really gradually get harder. There you go. This is a level that proves it. Alright, a little platforming here. Alright, let's blow this damn door up. Fun. Let's see what I can shoot. Can I blow this up? Oh, I can definitely blow the ships up, that's for sure. What's up? Yeah, blowing ships up. I think there's a skill point you get for blowing these up as well. There he goes. I ain't gonna worry about that though. I got a skill point in the last episode though I was pretty impressed with. I think you just had to, I guess you do that little race one time and you get it. Down this way. Jump. And go through here. Ha. Yeah, so this level I can already tell the Pyrocider is, oh my god. Oh, that was close. The Pyrocider is kind of the weapon of choice here. Shit, you these guys just, they continually spawn. This is really irritating. Alright, through this way. Oh, that's a lot of tanks. Hey, what's up, guys? Meet my Doom Gloves, minions. Woo! Genius. God, I love that weapon. I've said it once, I've said it a million times. The Doom Glove is your best friend. It will get you out of sticky situations. Alright, let's not get hit, but see if we can get the Devastator going here. Take him out. Take him out. Yeah, so this does have a lock-on feature, as you can tell. Get him in that green circle and it's gonna hit him. Alright, I'm not sure what that was about, but okay. Take that. Alright, over this way. Another door we got to destroy, but let's get all these bolts first. We need to get enough to get that other. They got 2 more weapons they just added in that we can't afford. It's always the one thing that kind of drives me crazy about this game is you can get all the bolts, all the boxes, and you still won't have enough until probably a couple levels down the road to get the weapons that unlock on each level. That's a minor gripe, a very minor gripe, because really when it boils down to it, there's only probably, especially in this game, when your weapons don't level, there's only probably like at least it is for me. I don't really use anything other than what I have. So even these weapons that we're gonna get here, I'm probably not gonna use, like the mine glove and the little boxing glove thing. Like I'm more than likely not gonna use it. Okay, so there is this that you can do. Until you get out of here, we're gonna go over here because you get the helmet. You get to look like a boss. But first, we're gonna get all these boxes. So many nuts and bolts.
Now this is cool.
You have acquired a pilot's helmet,
Haha.
manufactured by the Blob. It will allow you to fly jet fighters via neural induction.
Let's just go down this way. Alright, so we got the pilot's helmets, and that's pretty. I think that's pretty much it from this planet. At least that I can think of. Oh, you need to go over here this way, but yeah, you can definitely go down there, that's for sure. Let's do that real fast before we get on out of here. Need more ammo. This is a pretty short episode we got going on here, so let's keep it going. Let's get on down here. Oh yeah, there's definitely more stuff you can do. Swing shot area and all this stuff. Take it out. Sorry guys. I really just don't remember anything about this level here. So there's a lot of newbiness that's going to come across here. Even more than normal. Land. Alright. Put. Get away. Haha. Ah. Whoop. Alright. What's going on up here? Don't know. Let's get that parasiter out and be done with this. Ah. Whoa, blew that up. Haha. I have no idea what the point of that was, but okay. That was awesome. Swing shot time. This is probably going to be sinking to the lava. Alright. Whoa. That's a... Man, you're an asshole for doing that. Camping me. Ugh, get out of here. Yeah, this pilot helmet is boss, man. You look awesome. Look at this. I want one of these in real life. With my big ears. Get them to poke out like that too. That'd be great. Alright. Swing shot again. Whee! 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 Yahoo! Coming down. Alright. Switch the... Oh, I got the bomb glove out. Shit. That's the other kind of downfall I don't like about this game is... You know, it's hard to switch weapons on the fly. Because you gotta be like... You're in the middle of action, you got the wrong weapon out, you gotta be like... Pick! You gotta hold... The way you do it is you have to hold triangle down, and then you have to use the left analog stick to select which weapon that you want to get. It's a little bit on the tricky side. Ugh, get that out of here. Blow the other one up and we'll be done with that. Where is the other one? I don't remember where the other one is. Oh, it's right there. Jeez, just jump off. Haha. Yeah. Taking down huge ships. Alright. So just do that. Now let's back up. Alright. That swing shot back out again. This whole section, I don't remember any of this. Doing this at all in the first game. The first time I played this, man. I think I might have skipped this part, to be honest, so... Never mind, I don't think I did. I'm pretty sure this is like a part that you really can't skip, so... I just don't remember any of it. Which is bad. I didn't. It's like it's not like I played this game that long ago. It's 3 years. It's not like, you know, I played it. The game log says the last time that I played this was 2012 or no 2013. No, it was 2012. Yeah, because it came out in 2012. I have to recheck it. I'm pretty sure it's 2012. All right. Oh shit! That's death. Oh. Really? Man, I am super smart. God knows, man. Okay. Is there not really a point to get up here? Okay, alright. Let's just blow this up and keep it moving. Should be, yep, it's another swing shot platform. Woohoo! This is awesome. I love the swinging part. Kind of make sure we hover and land onto this. Whoop. Yeah, you gotta be quick here, because that is definitely sinking into the lava. Blow up all the ships. You know, I don't think it's very smart to have your big warships here tied up, like anchored to the ground, to explosive devices that can be destroyed with a metal wrench. I'm just saying, it's not a good look. And I think this is the last one. Just kidding, not the last one. Oh, there's a gold bolt over there. Yeah. I think I was right. There is no real reason to do this other than to get the gold bolt. Huh. That's kind of funny. Woohoo! Gold bolt acquired. Let's get on back to the ship. See, I knew I wasn't. I knew it wasn't lying. I don't think I've ever done that before. That's the first time I did that, because I don't remember doing that at all. All right, come on, take me back. I've got to definitely commend the level designers on this thing, though. Fantastic job. This is one of the cooler levels to me. You know, it's a lava world with, like, it still has, like, lush vegetation and things like that. It's really cool. I like the scenery in this one. Alright, let's get on out of here. Head on to the next planet. Woo! Alright, let's get some ammo, though, before we do that.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I'm about out of a lot of stuff.
That's a real beauty.
So yeah, the Walloper and the Mine Glove. So we'll probably pick up the Mine Glove here on the next episode. But let's go ahead and get on to the next planet. Away! Going on to Orxon. Okay, so looks like this is a Clank only planet. But anyways, we'll be back next episode. You guys take care. Take it easy. See you later. Bye.